Most district attorney offices boast a high conviction rate, above 90%. That's because prosecutors take to trial only cases they believe they can win. Otherwise, a plea bargain, which is still counted as a successful prosecution. But while some DA offices like to play it safe, the office of the San Diego County DA has been known to pursue some murder cases which are legally more challenging. And with a 94% felony conviction rate, it usually is paid off. A warning that some of the video in this story is graphic and not suitable for younger viewers. With dramatic security camera video, prosecutors with the San Diego District Attorney's Office had no trouble convincing jurors that documented gang members Mullen and Carice Bell entered a North Park Marijuana Dispensary with guns drawn, first disarming the guard.
They immediately put the gun to the security guard's head.
And then made the owner fill a bag with pot and money. In the video, jurors saw that when the robbers were distracted, the security guard lunged to recover his weapon, wrestled with one of the suspects, Mullen, and fatally shot him before the guard himself was wounded in a gunfight with the accomplice, Carice Bell, who was arrested later. What was unusual is that later at trial, the DA's office convinced jurors that the accomplice, Carice Bell, was guilty of murdering his partner, even though it was the security guard who lawfully shot him. How?
The theory that's based on is what's called provocative act murder.
A seldom used 50-year-old legal doctrine which holds someone responsible for a murder if they provoke someone into killing another. In this case, prosecutors say defendant Carice Bell was responsible for the killing because he threatened the life of the security guard, who fired in self-defense.
He completely believed he was going to be killed, that he would be executed during this robbery.
This is not the only unusual conviction won by the San Diego DA's office. There was the case of caregiver Denise Goodwin, who was supposed to be helping a Rancho Bernardo senior, but one day he went missing.
The defendant started selling his house, selling off his financial assets.
Almost $600,000 worth, all while lying about his whereabouts. The result? Denise Goodwin was prosecuted and convicted of first-degree murder, even though the victim's body has never been found.
The only way she could have gotten away with the theft of all those assets is for him to disappear.
And there was the case of William Romero, a DUI driver in Oceanside who drove at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, weaving through traffic and killing a passenger in an SUV that his car hit. This after Romero's family warned him not to drive drunk.
Ultimately, the defendant said, if I drive, either I'll die or I'll kill someone else. And he went down, got into his Camaro, and left.
That statement helped prosecutors convince jurors that DUI driver William Romero was guilty of murder. San Diego prosecutors insist they aren't legal gunslingers, that they try cases they think they can win. But it does require a DA that greenlights the tougher cases and a willing jury to consider.
There may be jurors that just say, hey, I know that's the law. I don't know if I can follow the law. That seems like a stretch to me. So you do have to bring up and make jurors, you ask for that commitment that they will follow the law if this is proven beyond a reasonable doubt.